श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किकेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि. Namo Narayana. We were enjoying the Bhagavad Kalyana Gunams based on Bhagavad Ramanuja's Churnikai, the statement, the prose of the Vakyam from Gadyatrayam, Sharanagati Gadyam. स्वाभाविकानवधिकादिशय ज्ञान बल ऐश्वर्य वीर्य शक्ति तेज सौशील्य वात्सल्य मार्दवार्जव सौहार्द साम्य कारुण्य माधुर्य गांभीर्य औदार्य चातुर्य स्थैर्य धैर्य शौर्य पराक्रम सत्यकाम सत्यसंकल्प कृतित्व कृतज्ञता असंख्येय कल्याण गुणगणौघ महार्णवम. We enjoyed all the Kalyana Gunas as enumerated by Swami so beautifully, Ramanujacharya. And then Srimad Aishinger also added Artikalpaka Apatsaka, which was also addressed by Ramanuja in Sharanagati Gadyam. And then Aishinger added one more, which is not listed by Ramanuja in Sharanagati Gadyam, but which is very beautifully glorified by Srimad Sri Andal in Tirupavai, which is anger, the kopam of Perumal. The anger, especially when he is angered on the enemies of his devotees, like Lord Nrsimha angered on Hiranyakashipu. So, after enjoying these Kalyana Gunas, now on this wonderful auspicious Purattasi Masam, today is the Shravana Nakshatram, also a wonderful Friday, auspicious Friday, Ekadashi Dinam. We don't need any better day than this to enjoy the Emperuman Sriyapati Sriman Narayanan's divine body, Tirumeni. So let's enjoy in the next series his Divya Mangala Vigraham, the Tirumeni, the beautiful Tirumeni, the Divya Mangala Vigraham which he takes for our enjoyment. So, like the Jivatma have the Sariram and Atma. Every one of us has a body which is Shariram and Atma which is our soul, the Jivatma. So, the Jivatma is the supporter of the Shariram, not the other way. As long as there is life, the body will start walking, doing, working, eating, anything, sleeping. However, when the life is gone, the Atma leaves the body, it will drop dead. It cannot move, it cannot function, it cannot even move an inch, it cannot breathe. Similarly, Emperuman also has a Divyatma Swarupam and Divya Mangala Vigraham. The Atma, Divya Atma Swarupam, is not unlike our Atma, which is Anu, which is atomic, very minutest particle. They say it is 1/1,000,000th part of the end of the hair from the horse tail. If you take a horse tail, there's a hair, at the end of the hair, if you, the little bit of that, if you cut that into 1,000,000 times, that is equivalent to the Jivatma's size, which means it is completely smallest, minutest. So, this Divya Atma, Divya Atma of Perumal, Sriyapati Sriman Narayana, is Vibhu. It manifests everywhere. Antarbahishchatat sarvam vyapya Narayana stitaha. Tat srishtva tadanupravishya tadevanupravishate. He manifests inside and outside of everything. He has manifested everywhere and in everyone, outside and inside, which means there is no place where he is not there, including ourselves, our body, whatever that you see, touch, feel, anything is his. He is there. So we cannot what do I say, comprehend, fathom this Divya Swarupam. Whereas the Shubhashrayam, Divya Mangala Vigraham, his Tirumeni, he has taken the form with the beautiful Shankha Chakram, with the divine Tirumukham, with the lovely lips, with the sharp creeper-like nose, with the large, beautiful, dark, well spread out eyes, and the divine Tirumeni with the broad chest, Ajanubahu, Pumsam Drishtichittapaharinam. His form simply enchants us. His form simply captivates us. We can touch him, we can hug him, we can enjoy seeing him, we can listen to his Nama Sankirtanam. And even though Paramatma Swarupam is greater and grander than anything, his Divya Mangala Vigraham is even better than Paramatma Swarupam. The one which is manifest everywhere and everyone, we cannot comprehend that simply. Only yogis can do that. Even Swami Desikan mentions in Bhagavad Dhyana Sopanam, Antarjyotik kimapi aminam anjanam yoga drishte chintaratnam sulabamikana siddhi mokshanurupam dhinanata vyasanasamanam daivatanam divyam chakshushroti parishatam drishyate rangamadhye. So, Divyam Chakshu, he is the universal cause referred to in Upanishad. Karanam to Dhyayaha. So he is the Jagat Karanan. So he is Karanam to Dhyaya. Dhyana is recommended with its components. So it is pictured as an ascent through 8 steps. So all these things, only yogis, the continuous uninterrupted thinking, contemplating by yogi, only they can visualize in their cavity of their hearts this Narayana Divyatma Swarupam. Whereas we can see with our own naked eyes the Ranganatha, the Divyamangala Vigraham Tirumeni of Ranganatha in the center of the stage. Drishyate, I'm seeing in present tense. Such is the most wonderful divine Tirumeni. And Swami Desikan mentions Paravara Sukha Grahyam Prema Bhota Prasavakam Swarupat Swamino Rupam Upadeya Tamam Viduhu. In Dvaya Adhikaram of Srimad Rahasya Saram, he mentions that only the intellect, the yogis, can visualize and comprehend the Divyatma Swarupam, whereas the same yogis who are the intellect, who are the jnanis, they as well as us who are so ignoramuses, who are so stupid, who cannot even comprehend anything, the samsaris like us, both of us, both the yogis as well as us, can comprehend, can easily understand, can easily enjoy the Tirumeni of Emperuman, the divine body of Divyamangala Vigraham of Emperuman. And it would grant us, even by looking at the Tirumeni, by simply enjoying his divine beautiful lips, by divine neck, the broad chest, the Srivatsam, the Maru, the mole on his divine chest, that lovely thighs, the beautiful pair of lotus feet, the red palms, the lotus-like palm, every part of his body, every ayudam of his, the kiritam, all this beautiful Tirumeni, by looking at it, would give us, grant us bhakti, jnanam, and would uplift us completely. So, the Tirumeni is much better than the Divya Atma Swarupam for us. It is more beneficial for us. And for us who are so lowliest, we can only understand the Tirumeni. We can get our bhakti by enjoying the Tirumeni. So, Perumal takes the Vibhavavataram, like the Rama, Krishna, Hayagriva, Vamana, Parasurama, Balarama, Krishna, Kalki, these Vibhavavatharams, the Archavatarams, like Tirumala Srinivasan, Lord Sri Ranganatha of Srirangam, the triplicane Parthasarathi, Varadaraja of Kanchipuram, Tirunarayanan of Melkottai, Tirukudandai Ara Amudan. They are the Divyamangala Vigraham and the Archavataram. They are made of complete Suddha Sattva Tirumeni. They are Subha Ashrayam, Shubham and Ashrayam. Shubham cha asau Ashrayascha. So, it is Shubham, it is auspicious, as well as it completely cleanses of our papams by simply looking at, by simply enjoying his divine Tirumeni. Papam haratiyat pumsam smritam sankalpa namayam tat pundarika nayanam vishnor vishno draksham yaham mukham. Vishnu Puranam says, Emperuman with his sankalpam, with his will, he takes this beautiful form, and his red lotus eyes would completely get rid of our papams by simply looking at Vishnu's Tirumukam. Akrura, when he is coming towards Krishna's place, in the chariot, he is desirous of enjoying Kannan's Tirumukam. And that is what is this slokam. Smritam papam harati. By remembering, by contemplating his divine face, Emperuman's Tirumukam, it is all this papam would get ridden off, would get completely removed, and thus the papams get removed. And also Chandilya Smriti says, Apidan Mauliparyantam Pashyataha Purushottamam Patakan Yashu Nashyanti Kim Punastu Upapatakam. This Archarupam Konda Purushottaman, from the lotus feet up to the Tirumudi, from the tip of the toe to the cup of the crown, one who prostrates at this, one who enjoys this divine Tirumukam, divine Tirumeni, the divine form from the lotus feet up to the crown, all the Pancha Maha Patakam, the wildest, cruelest papams which one can think of, even that would get crushed and burnt. When such is the case, the simple little mild papams that we do, what would we talk about? Of course, they would get extinguished. So, these papams would completely got written off if we look at Emperuman's Tirumeni, his Sevai, his divine Divyamangala Vigraham. If that is the case, what about the Ashrayatvam? Ashrayam. By not only it removes the papam, it is so beautiful. It is a feast for the eyes. It is Rupa Udharya Gunai Pumsam Drishti Chittapaharinam. Valmiki says about Rama, his beauty, divine beauty, his Gambhiryam, his benevolence, that beauty itself would enchant and excite and captivate the hearts of not only the women folk, also the men folk. Even the men get attracted by the divine beauty of Lord Sri Ramachandra Murti. People who look at his shoulders, cannot even take their eyes off the shoulder. They cannot even take their eyes off Rama. He is so beautiful. Beauty lies in those beautiful, in the dark, darting, well laid out, well spread out eyes. That divine Tirumeni, when Sri Vaikuntham in Adishesha Shayanam is the Parkadal, the Sri Vaikuntanathan, the Kshirabdi Shayanan, they are the ones who take Ramakrishna the Avataram. They are the ones who take the Avataram, the Archavataram in our Shaligramam, in our Lord Sri Ranganathan, in Srirangam, in Tirumala Srinivasan, in Kanchipuram Varadarajan. It is the same. There is no difference between Sri Vaikuntanathan and Kanchipuram Varadarajan. There is no difference between Vaikuntanathan and Lord Sri Ranganathan. There is no difference between Lord Sri Ranganathan, Vaikuntanathan, as well as our Shaligramam in the Perumal. So, Murtam Brahma Tatopi Tat Priyataram Rupam Yadadyadbhutam. Emperuman Virumbuvadu Tam Tirumeniyai. Murtam Brahma Tatopi Tat Priyataram Rupam Yadyadbhutam. So whatever he takes, the Uruvam, the form, that same Brahman, he is formless as Divya Atma Swarupam. He with form in Divya Mangala Vigraham. There is absolutely no difference between his Divya Mangala Vigraham and his Divya Atma Swarupam. It grants us the jnana, it grants us the bhakti, which will completely increase manifold in us. It would grant us all the benefits. It would get rid of all our papams, and it is so most beautiful to look at. It is so enjoyable, and we can enjoy with all our sense organs that Perumal's Divya Mangala Vigraham. He has got Divya Shariram. It is Adhyatputam. It removes the papam. It gives Tattva Jnanam. It is so easy to comprehend, look at, enjoy and listen and touch, embrace. And so this Tirumeni is ultimate. Divya Mangala is Mangala Vigraham is ultimate. Swami Srimad Aishinger mentions, let us enjoy as shown by the Purvacharyas this Divya Mangala Vigraham Tirumeni, and how glorious, how beautiful is this Tirumeni, how beautiful is this Divya Mangala Vigraham. Let's continue to enjoy more and more in this series in subsequent posts. Adiyen Kavitarkika Sinmaya Kalyana Gunashaline Srimate Venkateshaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha. Dhanyosmi.